Welcome to today's webinar hosted by Zen Sangam, and today we're gonna paint this forest, like magical forest. I will be using this sketch pad from Zen Sangam. This has 60% cotton, and on the sheets are 300 GSM. Let me know if you can see the reference here clearly. So I will be starting off with just sketching these two trees. I will do a rough sketch first. I am just sketching random branches. It doesn't have to be, perfect. Just do a random basic sketch outline, whatever you say. I use scarlet and orange together and just wet this area and start with the sky. Now for the another part, just wet this area. That's all for now. Then we are gonna move on with yellow, this shade. I will be using light green to paint this particular area. Like this will be like this. With the same technique, I will just wet this area first. We are painting the background first. Now for the last part, I will be using blue, Persian blue. I hope you can see the color. As you can see, I haven't, put water first for this area because I will be doing this to make this area more bright. Now with the same orange and scarlet red, I will mix those colors together and paint the trees. Just do random tap things with all the branches. I will let this area get dry a little bit. After that, we're going to start with the green trees. For the green part, I will be using sap green, this shade. With the same process, we're going to start with the trees. tip of your brush, just draw the branches by doing and tap over it here. Just how I'm doing. After this, I will cover this area with more green. As I'm using 60% cotton here, my color is getting spread automatically. I don't have to do much. Now take purple or violet, whatever color is available to you. I'm taking purple to paint a little tree over here. And blend the purple with green. I thought about just, adding the red over here while the shit is wet so that I don't have to do it again. Now for the big trees, I have taken green and black. Before doing the leaves, I have just painted the branches. Just paint the upper portion properly. You don't have to, do perfect in the end like the bottom portion. Take the sap green again and just highlight these areas into it. I'm taking brown, putting some water on this area, taking the brown color and just randomly, painting over the yellow portion. We are done with one tree, and for the other one I will use the green and black, mix those colors together. You don't have to take much black, just take a little bit of black and blend it with the green. I will start off with painting the branches first. It's a little bit weird angle for me, I'm not able to see. Starting from middle, you can just paint top to bottom. This is like easier for me because of my tripod. I have taken blue, the Persian blue, and I'm putting it over here. I will wait for this area to get dry, then I can start with the next part. I just have taken a wet brush and painting over these areas. Now I will take the brown. I am using dark brown here. We are gonna paint another tree over here. I will start off with only a line you have to make. You don't have to, make any branches. You just make one. I will put some water over this area first. Don't take too much water, just a bit. Whenever you feel that you have too much water on the sheet, just remove it using a tissue paper. That's all. I have taken dark brown and just putting it randomly over this tree. Now I will take I have taken the Persian blue again, make a little tree over here. Here we have some stone kind of a thing, like those boulders. Just take the Persian blue and draw little circles. I have taken the blue again and painting a grass and some small trees. And we are almost done with the painting. I have taken the dark brown here to highlight this area. I had too much water over here, so I just wiped it off a little bit with the tissue. And we are almost done. We just have one little, we have to make little red spots over here. I will take some water on this brush and just wet this area with a small brush, and I will take red, scarlet, or whatever red shade you have with you. You can take that. I will put the tissue over here for a minute and just do this technique. Please post them on your Insta stories by tagging me and Zen Sangam. I would love to see your painting. And that's all for today then. I will leave. Have a great weekend. Take care of yourself and keep painting. Bye.